I have chosen number 4 for my character presentation. Her name is Donna. She is 23. She was born November 7th, 1949 in the Bronx, New York. For her occupation, she makes formal dresses at home. And her economic status, she's a lower class citizen. She's a business owner. Her defining physical trait is that she has this really nice, thick hair. And she's a little curvy, but not too much. And she's pale skinned. 5 words that would describe her character's personality would be that she's sociable, fearless, cultured, confident, and quarrelsome. Some of the relationships that she has, one is with her brother. She loves her brother a lot, but she doesn't see him that much when he is in and out of jail. But he does call her and they write each other. And when he is out, he makes time to visit her and her daughter. Which that's the other relationship that she has. And her daughter Rena is the love of her life. And Carlo is second closest to Donna, her brother. One of her goals is to put her daughter in prep school. 5 things that Donna has done this week with her hands are brushed her daughter's hair, made breakfast, sewn dresses, cleaned the house, and she puts her makeup on every day. 5 things that her hands would do in the future would be to sew baby gowns. She wants to learn how to braid her daughter's hair, teach her child cursive. She wants to wear a wedding ring, and she would like to get manicures. One of the reasons she hasn't gotten a wedding ring is because she hasn't remarried yet and she's spending all her time on her daughter. She's devoted to her daughter. So she will wait in the future to remarry.